Bulletag, the all-in-one keychain cable built for every scenario. Charge your devices and transfer files at lightning speed. Expand your storage anytime, anywhere. And keep it always secure on your keychain. Charge your device on the go with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Transfer big files in seconds, no more waiting. Get notified if you leave it behind, so you never lose it. Bulletag is designed to always stay with you.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented.
Unfold the GAN charger, plug in, and power up your devices instantly. Lost your keys? With the built-in smart tracker, just open Find My and locate it right away. Built-in smart tracker, always easy to find. Emergency portable charging. Power up anytime, anywhere. Running out of storage? Add instant extra space to your phone, camera, or tablet, all with one smart cable. Durable lanyard keeps it safe and ready in your cup holder, your bag, or your suitcase. Bulletag, one compact tool to charge, transfer, store, and track.